Welcome back, guys, CryptoFLA channel. Today I want to show you another 10 altcoins ranking with realistic potential gains by end of this cycle from current prices. Guys, I highly recommend you go and check the previous videos because this is the top 100 now. Because I posted already like 10 tokens each video. And today I want to analyze these tokens. Let's go to this page. So I last time analyzed the last one, Saros. Today will be the Tezos. WIF I showed you in a memes video, but anyway, I will add it. Here, KAIA, it's a previous token, Clay, Ethereum name service, ENS, virtual protocol, THETA network, Morpho. I move by capitalization, guys. So it's not some favorite tokens or the best tokens or the worst tokens. No, it's just I move 10 by 10, each video. I skipped the stable coins. I skipped all these rapid tokens, some staked tokens. So this one I skip it. YB token. Next one is here. It will be the GALA Volta. It's a previous EOS. So let's move on and start with the Tezos. Also, for each of this token, you can go to Telegram channel. It's total for free. Type the ticket name and find the main post. Find the main boom plan what I shared even in Song 23, Song 24. So it will be useful just in educational purpose. So we will see how the logic built for each token analysis and basically all targets still relevant and relevant targets will be only if the token will be still exist on centralized exchanges. If the Binance, for example, deletes the token, the idea invalidated and we move on. Because we can't work with the tokens which delisted from the major exchanges because there is no liquidity. The charts can look so attractive, for example, on Alpaca Finance, but Alpaca Finance still exists on the max, but the project is gone. So they stopped work on a project. So the team announcement, though, no updates, nothing. So just a speculative ticker on the exchange. And step by step, I guess the exchanges will delist this type of tokens from other exchanges. So take a look. This is the XTZ crypto. If you need to find the oldest chart, and I highly recommend you, especially if you use my custom set, type XTZ USD, for example, not a USDT, USD, find the crypto, and you will see the oldest chart. It's give you the wider picture, what's happening with this token recently and in previous cycles. Because take a look. You remember I showed you the model. What are the current altcoins like layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 0, and all of this stuff, what the potential future for that tokens? Absolutely this model. Impulse, cycle, another cycle. And it will be like this one, 2-0, to the listing. Some of these tokens will perform like XRP. And after 8 years, maybe we'll go and hit the new all-time high. So just in case, guys, so that's a point, and you can open just millions charts, and this is a stupid narrative from the crypto influencer who shield you all the time. We go into the new all-time high because it's a crypto. No, guys, take a look, millions, not a millions, but hundreds, altcoins just slowly dying cycle after cycle. So here, December 17, new all-time high XTZ, Tezos. Here's the end of cycle, October 21, new high, not new all-time high. And here we are. So potential targets can be around here, for example, if we count like 50% of this downtrend move. So this is reality. This is reality. Let's take a look with the indicators now. Is it okay to accumulate Tezos now? The best time, I guess, will be if we will drop in September and test the buy line 59.43. So this is going to be the great entry for the Tezos again. So the buy line on the weekly time frame. This will be good. And we will form something like double bottom. If we switch to the line chart, check it. So yes, 59 will be good. Just amazing entry. At take profit $1.18. You could withdraw your initial deposit and ride with the free tokens. Let's count potential gains. Here we try and test below a fundamental value. So the last line, it's a fundamental value. This is a buy line, this is a take profit, this is an exit line. It's on a monthly time frame. So what we can see next here, This is a potential target. Let's mark like a target. So from now, we count from now. New all-time high for THETAs, it looks like 1000% gains. 1000, so 10x, not 100x, not 50x, not 30x, just 10x. Is it possible or not? So let's imagine 800. So 1 billion supply. What the price will be like 9 billion, 9.3, 9.5 billion market capitalization. Basically possible for THETAs if everything will be okay. I mean everything will be okay if we will see the money inflow, if the liquidity outflow from the BTC with the BTC dominance to 45%, for example, under 50%. So some new fresh money will inflow into altcoin sector. Highly recommend you go and check the realistic targets for XTZ in main video. So technically, if this DINA token will perform again and follow the XRP hype, I think yes, 10x is possible. So it's a conservative one, but yes, it's not all-time high, but it's 10x is possible for THETAs from now. So it's like $9. Locally, what do we got here? Here's here at the take profit line on the monthly time frame, $2.44. It's just a fulfill of the monthly gap, take profit, exit line, and about nothing. So just liquidity pool $4. So of course, I don't think so. The THETAs will finish the ride like $5, 5 billion market capitalization. I don't think so. If we count previous cycle here, February, from the bottom, let's count from the COVID dump here. COVID dump, 825%, guys. You remember the COVID dump and the total A3 on the market, previous bull run. So the COVID dump crash, everything going to hell, right? All altcoins dying, and this stock can finish the cycle with only 825% gains. So that's the point. This is a great example for everyone who waiting from every single altcoin like 50x, 30x, 20x, because the influencers shield you this stuff. And imagine how many people stuck it here at $9 because some influencers shield you the crypto should go to new all-time high every new cycle. That's the point, guys. If we count from the low of December 18, this stock can pump it like 2,700. Also not like 50x or so, just in case. So if we count from this price like 500%, it's possible $5, 5 billion market capitalization around. This is a 10x potential sweep of the high. And if we count from the low, where the low was here, so here 1,000, so 10x if we stop at $5. All right, so let's add conservative one to this area. 5 to 10. So around 5, a little bit over than 500, I guess it's possible to see for the THETAs, even if we hit like $5. 543 will be anyway, a little bit over than 5. So nice one. Next one, it's a WIF hat. 4.8 billion market capitalization was all-time high. So $1, 1 billion market capitalization. So easy to count. So for $5, 5 billion market cap, new all-time high by market capitalization and new all-time high by price. So my realistic target for the WIF hat, now we underrated, a little bit underrated. So here, yesterday I showed you once again this this chart. The WIF had already performed since January 2024 to the all-time high, like 7,000% gains. That's why, guys, everything should be in time, and we can't wait 7,000% gains again from current prices. That's the point. Everything should be in time. So top support bounce rejection at 86.78, drop to 27 block accumulation zone, a weekly time frame. We trade under fundamental value or around fundamental value. So if we count from current prices, where we now here, if you believe in new all-time high, it's 7 billion market capitalization for WIF hat. If the Solana will perform, if we will see the new hype around the Solana meme sector, some total gambling on the market, it's still under 10x, 733. So that's it. At least we can wait 246 to roll 97. We can't know, guys, for sure if the meme tokens perform or not. We can't know. We can't know. This song already made like 7,000 on max on centralized exchanges. If we count from that low to $7.23, it will be over than 10x. 100x, sorry. So WIF hat is here. Next one is a clay. This is a guy's example, KAIA. I don't like this stuff when, you know, we get some token. After that, they made some partnership, some rebranding, and the new chart looks more attractive. So this is a new chart of KAIA. This one, October 24, right? KAIA USDT looks good, like a fresh token. But the real chart of this one looks like this one since March 2020. So this is just a rebranded token and has merged with the FNSA to KAIA. But for new users, you know, who just joined the market, so they don't remember. So the KAIA is Clayton, previous token. They look at this chart and start building. Wow, like we should go to the $1 to $5 to $10 because it's just a fresh new token. You know, so that's the point. And this token just slowly dying. So where are we now? Where are we now? We can close the KAIA chart. Where are we now? So test of the buy line, the same story. Like in the TASAs will be good, like 11 cents 53. 11 cents 53. By the way, for the TASAs, where that one? If, for example, we test the buy line, it will be here. It will be 700%. So that's the point. That's why it's really important to catch the beta entry, right? So from now, Clayton, KAIA, more than real to see the targets. 2 monthly gaps. It's like a magnet. $1 and 76 cents. So I think, yes, more than sure we're going to test like $1. And if we count from current prices, 600%. Even more, I guess. Oh, here we are. Yes, correct. 616%. By market capitalization, it will be like, now it's 845 million market capitalization. $1 will be 5.86 billion market cap around here, even around 6 billion. Anyway, I guess it will be like over than 5x. From the low, it can be like 10x. Yes, not that much, right? But realistic one, the positive realistic one. Ethereum name services, guys. Now it's $25. I think this will be also one of good performer and get all chances to sweep the new all-time high. $100 will be like attractive number for retails. We'll leave the actual highs. So the main analysis I showed you around here. So imagine this model still relevant since November 2021. This blue block or green block, it's accumulation zone. Now would be good to see retest 22.94, 18.15, and the test of the buy line. Buy line are dynamic. That's why the most positive case, if we retest the buy line and go higher, form double bottom. Size of that double bottom will be over than $50 and $54, and the road will be open to potential new all-time high. And it's around like 86, $90. With Ethereum, you know, when Ethereum will go to 5K to 6K, and I'm more than sure it will, the Ethereum ENS will follow. But now it will be good to see the correction pullback. If we count from now, the main signal to buy was here. If we count from now, guys, here, this one, even the new all-time high, like $100, guys, it's still on the 5x. So that's it. From the low, of course, it could be like here, 1,300. So that's the point, guys. Everything should be in time. So 3 billion market capitalization, I guess, is possible to see. So ENS anyway will go to this rank. THETA network, guys, still on a Binance is good. Pretty good volume, 8 million 24-hour volume. So what we can see now, 16 billion at all-time high. Now the 814. Imagine the difference. 15 billion, they just erase the 15 billion by market capitalization. Just a madness. Just a madness, guys. All right, conservative price targets, guys, here. This is the updates of the charts. Let's extend it to right. So we are now trading side 27 block. So conservative one, no, let's go to the weekly time frame. So yes, we are trade on the buy line. So the test of the fundamental value of this stock in like 73 cents would be good for September, or even 61. But we count from now. So anyway, believe it or not, but we're going to test $1.94 if this token will still exist on centralized exchanges. Highly recommend you go and check the main analysis for the THETA network. This is like a magnet. Main and one and only, basically. Monthly gap 525, 586, 584, this area. So we need to see some consolidation, pump to $4, sweep this high liquidity pools, test zero level with a weak candle, test like 582, maybe 670. And this can be the end of cycle for this token, realistically one. So 6 billion market capitalization, for example, 5 billion market capitalization. So just in case, if you believe in new all-time high, like 17 billion market cap, I don't think so. Just too hard to imagine why the THETA network should pump to new all-time high over than 17 billion market capitalization. So just in case, guys, not all tokens. Open the Tesla's chart and you will understand the logic. So here, from now, the realistic gains like 6 billion market capitalization, or at least the test of the monthly gap, even over than 5x. Nice one. So where that THETA going here? Next one, guys, it's virtual protocols. The same story. They just rebranded to Path DAO, rebranded to the virtual, migrated from old contract to the new one, and we can track the old page. But even the new page, guys, the virtuals, looks like this one. So it's not like a crazy low. The main time to buy was here in September. So let's count from the low. 2 cents, 2 cents 7. Let's count from this. This token already performed, guys, this cycle 18,000% gains. Nice one, nice one. If we count from the low of June 2024, 25,000% gains. Of course, it's not 100% somebody buying exactly at the bottom and sell exactly at the top. But if, for example, you accumulate like, I don't know, 5 cents and sell it at $4, it's amazing rally. That's the point, guys. A lot of tokens already perform it. People just focus on current moment and think the altcoins should start. The altcoins should start now. The altcoins, when the altcoins season, blah, 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 all this stuff. But guys, a lot of altcoins already performed this cycle together with the BTC. Yes, the problem with the major tokens, the middle capitalization tokens, and memes perform it, many altcoins perform it, and if the people waiting from the Solana, like even the Sol performed like 3,500% this cycle. Why people waiting from now Solana should pump 5,000 again? I have no idea. Unfortunately, guys, yes, I already explained it to you. Maybe you and me just choose the wrong tokens. A lot of people already fixed the crazy gains this cycle. I totally agree. I chose few totally wrong tokens. With some of them, I already lost the money. They will never recover back. So just in case, it's a part of our job, guys. That's why to hit the new all-time high, $5.50, for example, from now, it's possible, but let's say like around same story, like 5 billion or 7 billion capitalization. But even if we count from now, like new all-time high here, $6. Let's imagine $6. So it's still under like still under than 5x. So honestly, I don't think so. The virtual will hit the higher price target. So virtuals go here. Next one is Highly recommend you go and check the main video about virtual. Morpho, never analyzed this token before. On OKX, pretty good volume, 7.8 million 24 hour. It's a good one with good funds and the bakers. So what we can see now, 328 million supply, 32%, highest point, all-time high, 1 billion. Market capitalization now around all-time high. This one, take a look. This is a price, and the blue line, it's a market capitalization. After that, the more tokens added into circulation supply, the price is here, market cap is higher than it was at all-time high by price. That's a point, guys, unfortunately. So $3.92 price, 600, almost 700 million market capitalization. Now the price $2.47, capitalization around 800. So hard to say, guys. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 58 cents again in the next bear market. Yes, I'm more than sure we're gonna drop under to $1 for the Morpho. This is a chart on a BitGet. So anyway, this target like $4.21. It's definitely, I guess, we were gonna sweep it. Now on the weekly time frame, it looks like we form something like triangle, that type of triangles. This one. So I don't know. It can be like middle of September. Potential drop, for example, or even now like this and go higher. So the size of that triangle can be over than $8, for example. So let's imagine, even guys, if we hit to $8, you know, if we count that size, like usual people count. So if it's a triangle, right? So we should pump to $7, $8. It's still under 5x. Possible. And for the people who accumulated, for example, here, it will be like 1000%. Even if we count like $10, it will be still under 5x. So imagine a $10, I guess it will be like 3.2 billion market capitalization. Nice one. But still under. And if we count here, 1,300. Anyway, Morpho is here. Maybe for someone it's like conservative price targets, guys, but at least it's realistic one. Here, if we count by FIB, this is a top correction, and here 2.61. Anyway, it's around with a weak candle around $10. So of course the time to buy was here. It could be like 10x. Nice one. Let's take a look. The white Bitcoin, guys. I'm not a fan of exchanges tokens, and just to be honest, this token traded only on 3 exchanges like HTX, Whitebit own platform, and a Max. 100%, guys, for sure. For me, it's not a time to buy. This is a chart since August 2022. So, do you think this chart need to start investing in the token like this one? I don't think so. Here, from that low, Whitebit token already performed like 1,500%. From the low of September, it's only to 1,600%. So the correction to $31.20, it can be like test above exit line, take profit line 27.56, 27.57, buy line in the next bear market, we're gonna drop to 13.59, for sure under $20. So how high this token can perform? Check by capitalization. Market cap, 6.2 billion market cap. All-time high 7. So I don't know, guys. Even if we hit, let's imagine $100. Just imagine $100. So it's less than 200%. Here. Next one, it's GALA. GALA, guys, I already showed you yesterday in the video. I reduced my expectation for the GALA because the main point was when I analyzed it before. So the GALA could hit 49 cents conservative price targets, right? But now I reduced that expectation because GALA looks so horrible. Just to be honest, now it's around 2 cents price. Nothing good around the GALA. Take a look at the capitalization and the price. So market cap pump it because more tokens into circulation supply. $1, it's almost impossible. 45 billion market capitalization for the GALA, it's almost impossible. And now all-time high was 6 billion 19 190 millions at an all-time high by market cap here when the GALA traded around 70 cents, 80 cents. Now we trade, at 2 cents and the market capitalization like 1 billion or around 1 billion. So no makes sense to build a crazy expectation because even the 50 cents for the GALA sounds unrealistic. It's 23 billion market capitalization, guys. That's why I reduced my expectation for the GALA. Most positive case scenario, if we hit from that low, fulfill of the monthly gaps. We get 2 monthly gaps. It's 21 cents and 16. Most likely the GALA in the most positive case scenario, we're gonna hit the 12 cents and here. This one, 8 cents 74. 8 cents 74. So this is I guess will be the finish for the GALA. Anyway, it's potential over than 5x from the low. But if we count from now, it can be like, let's count from now. Yes, anyway, it's still over than 5x. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can, guys. It's just a rhetoric question. We trade inside that monthly gap, but yes, this is a realistic target, guys. So 5x from now, even a little bit more. Yes, 600. So 12 cents maybe will be the top of the top for the GALA. In most positive case scenario, guys. Last one, it's EOS also. Here they rebranded, migrated old network to the Volta A token, 50 cents. The chart looks attractive. Take a look, AUSDT. When you open the Binance, everything looks like, wow, we're at the bottom. We have to skyrocket to the moon. But the real charts, guys, looks like this one here. So the EOS dumped it from the top for almost 5,000% down. Yes, I understand what I'm talking about because it's not we dump not like 90%. No, we dump at 5,000% because everybody who hop in here at $22 to recover back at a break even, they need to wait 5,000% gains up. We're in accumulation over than 455 days. It's a good one. Conservative price targets because we are now around the buy line. And would be good to see the test of the buy line 45 cents 67. It's a good one. After that, next step will be 91 cents exit line $1.02 and the monthly gap. This one test of the downtrend line, hypothetical $3.27 372. Most positive case, guys, I don't think so. Now after the rebranding, I don't think so. The EOS will hit the new high. I mean, new all-time high. $15, it's a crazy scenario. Crazy scenario, guys. Oh, I deleted that channel, I guess. I will try find it one. All right, so let's count by market capitalization now. All-time high by market cap was like 18, almost 19 billion. Now we sit at 785 million. 1.5 billion supply. So $10, it's 15 billion market capitalization. Possible, maybe. Hard to say, guys. But chart looks absolutely awful. So at $15, here, around here, the capitalization will be like 15 billion. So higher than this capitalization. What will leave it in May 21. That's why, guys, I'm not sure now about the EOS. Here's, by the way, there was a list of rebranding. All updates, what the EOS made. Here, May 24. This all updates. Tokenomics, new system contract. A lot of super fancy tech upgrades, updates, and some stuff which should deliver the price to the moon, right? But fundamental, guys, absolutely doesn't matter. Take a look, they work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crazy updates And at the end, they just changed the ticket name. And nothing happened. Nothing happened. Like over than a year, almost 500 days, they work on something and it's not affect the price at all. For us like investors, yes, if you invest in a tech, I already explained to you, no questions. If you buy the Apple phone, iPhone, or iPad, you absolutely don't care about the stocks of the Apple shares, right? You use just a product. If you invest in buying the tokens EOS to use some service of the EOS, I don't know for what, it's okay. You don't care about the price because you use the service. But if you invest in assets like in asset to make a profit, you're not happy. You're not satisfied with that stupid upgrades and updates what they did. So anyway, I believe we're gonna test at least $3.50. It's a take profit line on the monthly. From now it's 647. Also, I might be reduce the expectation for the EOS. 749. It's the exit line $4.20. $4.20. So it's like 7 billion market capitalization, around 7 billion market capitalization. Also, I noticed sometimes we come back, guys, and close the 50% of this week. So $10, like 15 billion market capitalization. This one. 2,000% from now. Hard to say, guys. Hard to say. Hard to say, but now maybe. But anyway, I guess the $7 possible basically for you. So let's add the volta here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what is your thoughts about the tokens. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.